What's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I have a review and unboxing of the Dior Jordan messenger bag and t-shirt. I decided to make one video for both because I already reviewed the Dior Jordan jacket, and these two kind of go together because they're both the navy colorway and they're both one of the cheaper items that were a part of the collaboration between Dior and Jordan. So if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as it really does help out my channel and get my videos shown to more people. And while you're at it, make sure you claim your 4 free stocks on Webull at clicking the link below. All you gotta do is sign up, you get 2 stocks for free and another 2 after your first deposit. So without further ado, let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so right here obviously you got the Air Dior bag right here. It's gonna have this little handle right here on each side, as you guys can see. The other side is just gonna have the same logo, nothing on the bottom, nothing too special at all. But they give you a bag with these items. With the jacket, they give you a bigger one. If you guys are able to see it right here, here is the bigger one. Obviously it was a little bit folded up as I was storing it, but here's the smaller one that I got with the t-shirt and the messenger bag. So I'll just open it up for you guys and take out the messenger bag, which is the item that I want to show you guys first because it is a little bit more popular, as well as the fact that the shirt I'm not able to try on because it is a size small and I am a large to extra large. But here's the dust bag that goes with the Dior Jordan messenger bag. As you guys can see, it is going to be a really dark navy or a black. You can't really tell, it is just super dark. It's going to have the reflective Dior logo right here and obviously the ribbon on the top, which you can tighten it by. But just before I take it out, I want to go over a few details. This collaboration happened in spring summer of 2020. Both the items are going to be in the navy color. The t-shirt had a black, white, navy, and a gray, but I obviously have the navy one, and then this came in a navy as well as a gray as well. So the navy seems to be going for a little bit less than the gray, maybe because the gray goes with pretty much everything and navy is a sort of blue, so maybe people prefer it a little bit less. But I actually do prefer the navy, and I feel like it goes along with more outfits considering that most of my fits are going to be a darker color. And then the retail cost of this messenger bag is going to be $1,600 USD. In the market, I'd say is going to be somewhere around $1,600 as well. And that is just because the median sale on StockX is around there. But the last sale was $1,400, so it was a little bit down from the average. But I'll just pull it out for you guys so you guys can see it right here, as I can do it with one hand. Most of my videos I only have one hand to do it, but you guys can see the Air Dior logo right here. I'll try to put it on the light so you guys are able to see the beautiful navy reflection. On the other side, it's not going to have too much. And then obviously here is where we would add the strap, which is going to be on the inside. This bag is completely brand new, as well as the t-shirt, so you guys will be able to see what they look like coming straight out of the store. And just before I forget, you guys can obviously see that all the hardware on this bag is going to be completely silver toned, and it is such a clean silver tone because the stickers are still on it and it's kind of spread, so you guys can see it's really reflective. You guys can kind of see my camera on the bottom one if you guys look closely. So is the other side, and so is the attached part where you'd obviously add the strap, and then there's 2 zippers. So let me just unzip this front pocket for you guys. So now that we got that open, you guys will be able to see that you guys are going to have one big pocket right here. This is just some paper that they add when you buy it brand new. I have not used this bag at all, and I kind of want to look at this bag as an investment piece, and I'll kind of explain that a little bit more towards the end. But when you guys look at the back, you guys will have some card holders right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 it looks like, and then you got one more big pocket that's going to be very slim towards the back. And then behind that, you guys will have the reflective Dior print all over right here. And yeah, it's just super good looking, and it is a nice way to store your cards, small accessories, and everything else. Because the dimensions of this bag, which I have not yet mentioned, it's going to be 17 centimeters in length, 5.5 centimeters in width, and it's going to be about 12 centimeters tall. So don't expect to be fitting too much in this bag, but rather than carrying your keys, wallet, and smaller accessories like that in a pocket of yours, you can obviously put in the messenger bag and show off the Dior Jordan complement towards the front of it. But you got enough room for credit cards, your debit cards, and small accessories such as keys, cash, and receipts. And then to make up for the lack of space in the first one, the second pocket is obviously going to be a lot wider, and that is where they have the strap, which you guys will be able to see right here. I don't want to take it out and ding it up too much, but you guys can see the Christian right here for Christian Dior, and then it's going to have the Dior all over the interior as well on this side. and it's just going to be all on the inside. So the inside is going to be made of leather and obviously the Dior fabric, and this strap right here will adjust to fit however you need it to. So obviously if you are tall, skinny, thick, whatever else, it'll be adjusted to fit you. And the strap is going to be 48 centimeters and completely adjustable, like I just mentioned. And both of these items are going to be made in Italy. So if you guys see that it was made in Mexico, Canada, the US, or anything else, you guys already know then and there that it is counterfeit. Alright guys, so this is probably the most popular way of wearing this bag. Obviously around one shoulder, and obviously this arm's going to stick out. But here's how it looks from the front. You guys can clearly see the Air Dior right here in the white color. And especially when it's in the light, you guys can pick out the navy out of anything. And I honestly prefer this over the gray because, like my jacket is a dark color, this will go with most dark colors. So if you wear primarily lighter colors, you might want to go for the gray. Darker colors, you might want to go for the navy. But either way, I really think you will be happy with this bag. As like I said, as long as you're not carrying too much, it is a super nice utility bag. I kind of look at it as a utility bag more than a messenger bag, because really when I think of messenger bags, I think of holding a computer. But this is good for holding everything that would be in your wallet, pockets, and everything else, just so you don't have full pockets and it's easier to walk around. And obviously it looks nice and everyone knows that it is Air Dior and it's super limited. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Obviously you guys can wear it from the back as well, as you guys can see. And then on the other side of the strap right here is obviously where you can adjust it. If you guys look really closely, you guys can see the Christian Dior right here. And then obviously towards here, you guys can see the Dior on the hardware. And there will just be a lot of little details to this bag. And honestly, this is my first time trying it on. And I tried it on just for you guys. I honestly wanted to keep it brand new as an investment piece. So if you guys are at this point in the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. But just before I take it off, I'll give you guys one more look. Obviously, you can wear it on this side. You can wear it a little bit lower. You can wear it over one shoulder, maybe if you're a girl. You can wear it over both if you really wanted to. But let me know what you guys think of this bag, and let's move on to the t-shirt. Alright guys, so here's the Air Dior t-shirt. As you guys can see, Air Dior logo right here, the Dior tag, as well as these tags, which I think are super cool. I showed them in my last video where I covered the jacket, the Dior Jordan jacket, so make sure to go ahead and check that video out if you guys are enjoying this one. But this is going to be a size small. The jacket's a size 46 and they fit about the same. And then this is going to be super cool because if you can turn it in 3 different ways. Here's the Jumpman, here's the Dior Oblique canvas, and then here's obviously the Air Dior Wings logo. And then both these pieces released on the same date. And just so you guys can easily remember it, it is 7/7/20, and the retail cost of this was $750, but market has actually jumped. So if you guys were able to buy it for retail, you guys did make a bit of money. They're going for about $860. That is the average sale price on StockX, but the last sale I just checked prior to making this video was $1,300. So you guys are going to be able to make a decent amount of money on this as long as you find the right buyer, as well as if it's in a sought after size. But obviously you guys can always find someone in whatever size. This is a size small. And then supposedly this is going to fit big. Unfortunately, I'm not able to try this on because it is not my size. Apparently a small fits closer to a medium, but me being a large to extra large, there is no way that this would fit on me without probably ripping, honestly. And so I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the shirt. So I'll just hold it up for you guys so you guys can see it really quickly. So here's how it looks when you just stand it up. I have someone holding it up right now. You guys can see the Air Dior right here. There's not going to be too much on the back side either, but you guys can obviously see the tags right here, which I already mentioned, which are pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. How does it compare to the messenger bag? What do you guys overall think of this collaboration, and what were your favorite items from it if you guys are a fan? But I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, especially if you guys are at this point in the video, because it does take a lot of work to get these videos out for you guys, because this stuff is not easy to get. Obviously, it's not being released anymore, and it was super limited even on its day of release. So again, let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or just want to share your opinion, and make sure to like and subscribe. But I will see you guys in the next video.